Good morning and Jai Hind to one and all present here. On behalf of our school, I, Cadet Rishabh Shah,
And I, Corporal Manvi Pradhan,
feel truly honored to welcome you all to this glorious celebration of NCC Day 2025. A day that shines with the light of patriotism, courage and commitment.
अब हमारे बीच पधार रहे हैं हमारे आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि मिस्टर प्रेम प्रताप सिंह, चीफ गेस्ट, सेकंड इन कमांड 193 सीआरपीएफ बटालियन मुजाबनी, इंस्पेक्टर मनोज गुप्ता, सर्कल इंस्पेक्टर घाटशिला, सब इंस्पेक्टर पंकज कुमार, ऑफिस इंचार्ज मोबंडर आउटपोस्ट, सूबेदार विनोद कुमार सिंह, 37 झारखंड बटालियन एनसीसी, हवलदार लक्ष्मण खड़का, 37 झारखंड बटालियन एनसीसी, लेफ्टिनेंट महेश्वर रमानिक, एएनओ घाटशिला कॉलेज, एसओ पंकज कुमार, एएनओ मोतीलाल नेहरू पब्लिक स्कूल जमशेदपुर, डॉक्टर श्रीनिवास मिश्रा, प्रिंसिपल संत स्मृति विद्या मंदिर घाटशिला, मिस्टर निर्मल झुंझुनवाला एसएमसी, मिसेस शोभा खंडेलवाल मैनेजर, डॉक्टर प्रसन्नजीत कर्माकर एनसीसी ऑफिसर, जिनकी गरिमामय उपस्थिति से ये समारोह और भी गौरवमय बन गए हैं।
The chief guest is proceeding to receive the guard of honor by NCC cadets.
Command guard! Patrol! Set! Gentlemen, 3 man, सम्मान गार्ड, आपकी निर्देशन के लिए हाजिर है। Gentlemen, Gentlemen, 3 man, सम्मान गार्ड को विसर्जन कराने की अनुमति देता हूँ। Gentlemen, सम्मान गार्ड, पकड़, सस, संतरी खड़ा रहे, बाकी गार्ड विसर्जन।
After receiving the guard of honor, the chief guests, escorted by the pilots, are now moving towards the stage. We welcome our chief guest and the esteemed dignitaries wholeheartedly. We are grateful for your gracious presence.
NCC, not just 3 letters, but 3 promises to serve, to lead, and to inspire. Today, as we stand in our crisp uniforms and proud hearts, we remember the countless cadets who learned here that the uniform isn't just worn, it is earned. The uniform isn't just worn, it is earned. It is stitched with discipline and colored with duty. The National Cadet Corps has always taught us that true strength lies not in weapons, but in values, not in commands, but in compassion.
जहाँ अनुशासन समर्पण बन जाता है और सेवा संतुष्टि बन जाती है, वहाँ हर एनसीसी कैडेट समर्पण का जीवित उदाहरण बन खड़ा होता है।
So dear audience, let's fill this morning with pride, with purpose, and with patriotism, because today we are not just celebrating a day, we are saluting a legacy.
Now I request the cadets to present the fruit basket to our guests.
Now I humbly invite our chief guest, Mr. Prem Pratap Singh, second in command, 193 CRPF battalion. Now Inspector Manoj Gupta, Circle Inspector Ghatshila. Next, Sub Inspector Umesh Kumar, Officer in Charge, Ghatshila Police Station. Subject, Sub Inspector Pankaj Kumar, Officer in Charge, Movendar Outpost. Subedar Vinod Kumar Mishra, 37 Jharkhand Battalion, NCC. Next, Subedar Vinod Kumar Mishra, 37 Jharkhand Battalion, NCC. To step forward and accept the fruit basket as a token of our respect and warm welcome. Thank you, sir.
जहाँ आसमान छूने की चाह हो और हर सांस में देश का उत्साह हो, जहाँ हर दिल में हो गर्व की चमक और हर आसमान छूने की हो आसमान की महक, अब हम गुब्बारों को मुक्त करेंगे।
And now, I request our chief guest, along with all the dignitaries, to come forward and join us in releasing tricolored that symbolize true spirit of NCC.
तिरंगे गुब्बारे जिनके तीन रंग साहस, शांति तथा समृद्धि का प्रतीक है। ये गुब्बारे केवल हवा में नहीं उड़ते, ये हमारे सपनों की ऊंचाई, हमारे साहस का प्रतीक और हमारे राष्ट्रीय प्रेम की गूंज अपने साथ लिए उड़ते हैं। हर उड़ान हमें याद दिलाती है कि देशभक्ति केवल शब्द नहीं बल्कि हमारे कर्मों का प्रतिबिंब है। जैसे ये सफेद गुब्बारे अनंत आकाश की ऊंचाइयों को छूते हैं, आइए हम सब अपने हृदय में देशभक्ति और गौरव की नई ऊंचाइयां भरें।
As these white balloons rise, let them remind us that discipline and courage take us to great heights, just like the soaring balloons.
थैंक यू सर। आगे बढ़ते हुए स्वागत भाषण प्रस्तुत करने के लिए मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ विद्यालय प्राचार्य डॉक्टर श्रीनिवास मिश्रा सर को कि वे आए और अपने प्रेरणादायक शब्दों से हम सभी का मार्गदर्शन करें।
First of all, on behalf of Santlalal Smriti Vidya Mandir Ghatsila, I welcome all the dignitaries, guests, all and one present here. Most Honorable Chief Guest of this function, Mr. Prem Pratap Singh, Second in Command, 193 CRPF Battalion, Circle Inspector Manoj Gupta ji, Sub Inspector Umesh Kumar ji, Sub Inspector Pankaj Kumar ji, Subedar Vinod Kumar Mishra 37 Jharkhand NCC Battalion, हाबिलदार लक्ष्मण खड़के जी 37 झारखंड एनसीसी बैटालियन, महेश्वर परमानिक जी एएनओ घाटशिला कॉलेज, पंकज कुमार जी एएनओ मोतीलाल नेहरू पब्लिक स्कूल जमशेदपुर, निर्मल झुनझुनवाला जी मेंबर ऑफ स्कूल मैनेजमेंट कमेटी, शोभा माम जी मैनेजर ऑफ द स्कूल, डॉक्टर प्रसन्नजीत कर्मकार जी our NCC officer, Santosh Kumar ji, and all the staff members, affectionate students, and patriotic NCC cadets. On behalf of this school, on behalf of this institute, it is a great honor and pleasure for me to address you from the desk to welcome you on the celebration of NCC Day. Dear students, as you know, NCC itself a paramilitary force, and actually duty, dedication, sacrifice and patriotism, these are the hallmarks of NCC. And you are lucky enough that you have got that opportunity to serve the nation. From your young age, you have learnt the ways of discipline, manners, attitudes, behaviors, that one. Being the future citizens of this nation, our country expects a lot from your side. And the same thing that you are learning from NCC. Once again, I am very much thankful to all the dignitary guests, honorable guests, despite of their valuable times, their busy schedule. They have attended our function, and on behalf of this institute, we are very much thankful and grateful to all of you. And without spoiling your valuable time, let's start the program with great enthusiasm, with great interest. You are waiting for the program, and let's start the program. Once again, thank you all. Thank you everybody for this one.
धन्यवाद सर, आपके इन शब्दों ने हमारे हृदय में एक नई ऊर्जा और चमक भर दी। अब टुकड़ियों के निरीक्षण के लिए हमारे ओवरऑल कमांडर सार्जेंट हर्षवर्धन तिरिया, हमारे आज के कार्यक्रम के निरीक्षण पदाधिकारी श्री प्रेम प्रताप सिंह, सेकेंड इन कमांड 193 सीआरपीएफ बटालियन मुसाबनी से अनुमति लेने के लिए मंच की ओर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
जय श्रीवाल श्रीवाल ऐसे में परेड आप करने से के लिए हजरत जय श्रीवाल नंबर 1
निरीक्षण पदाधिकारी के साथ विद्यालय प्राचार्य एवं एनसीसी अधिकारी भी उपस्थित हैं। लगा के हैकल लाल चले, जुनून की आग संभाल चले, तूफान भी रुख मोड़ दे जब वीर कदम उछाल चले। मंजिल खुद झुक जाती है जब इरादे पहाड़ सा डाल चले, और हम योद्धा बन उठे शौर्य की मिसाल संभाल चले।
With fearless steps and iron will, we rise to serve, to protect, to drill. No enemy can break our skill. NCC cadets, always ready, always still.
निरीक्षण समाप्त हुई।
Now the overall commander and the pilots are escorting the inspection officer and other dignitaries towards the stage.
They are now moving towards the stage. Sir, we request you to please take your seats.
जय श्रीवाल जय श्रीवाल।
Now The flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. And now we move to one of the most honorable and proud moments of today's ceremony, the NCC flag hosting, a symbol of discipline, courage, and patriotism. A flag is more than just cloth and colors. It is the soul of a nation, woven with sacrifice and pride. And now, may I please request our chief guest, along with all the dignitaries present on the stage, to join us in hosting our NCC flag, followed by the NCC song. And also, I request everyone to please stand in the honor of the NCC flag.
शुभम शुभम
भारतीय
request everyone to take their seats.
Now, to seek permission to begin the parade, the overall commander, Sergeant Harshvardhan Tiria, is approaching the stage.
Stop attack! Hill back!
Now, the overall commander has received the permission and he is returning to his position to start the parade.
March past is the poetry of discipline, written through footsteps in perfect rhythm. Every step reflects courage, every turn reflects commitment. It is the silent language of dedication, spoken without a single word. Precision becomes pride, unity becomes strength, and the march becomes a symbol of honor carried forward with every stride.
हर कदम में अनुशासन, हर चाल में पराक्रम, यही है एनसीसी कैडेट का असली धर्म.
Where the uniform shines, the sun of courage and service rises. The guard party has joined the march past. The first troop is the Guard of Honor led by Corporal Jagatram Mahato.
अब मंच के सामने से गुजर रही है एनसीसी की जोशीली टुकड़ी जिसका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं कैडेट सुमेन दास, ध्वजवाहक है कैडेट अंतिक दास और फ्लैकार्ड धारक है कैडेट दैविक सिंह.
Now, passing in front of us are the NCC cadets of Pathshala College, led by Corporal Rajaram Hemra.
हम वो ज्वाला है जो अंधकारों में भी जलती है. हम वो आवाज है जो सरहदों तक गूंजती है. एनसीसी ने सिखाया सिर ऊंचा रखकर चलना, हर मुश्किल में जय हिंद पुकार समझना. अनुशासन हमारा धर्म है और देश सेवा हमारी राह. कदम बढ़े हो एनसीसी के साथ तो रुकती नहीं कोई चाह, रुकती नहीं कोई चाह.
When a cadet walks, confidence leads. honors in our stride, we carry the nation's hope and pride.
एनसीसी का आदर्श वाक्य एकता और अनुशासन छात्रों में कर्तव्य के प्रति समर्पण, निष्ठा, अनुशासन और आत्म बलिदान की अवधारणा को विकसित करता है। परेड समाप्त हुई। अब आगे की कार्रवाई की आदेश प्राप्त करने के लिए ओवरऑल कमांडर सार्जेंट हर्षवर्धन तिरिया मंच की ओर अग्रसर हैं।
Now the overall commander is returning to its formal position.
हर वर्दी अपने साथ एक कहानी लाती है जो हर दिल में वीरता की निशानी बन जाती है। आज हम सुनने जा रहे हैं एक ऐसी ही प्रेरणादायक कहानी सार्जेंट श्रुति रॉय की, जिन्होंने अपने एनसीसी के करियर में मेहनत, अनुशासन और नेतृत्व की मिसाल कायम की है। उनकी ये यात्रा केवल परिश्रम की नहीं बल्कि आत्मविश्वास, सेवा और राष्ट्र प्रेम की भावना से ओतप्रोत रही है। तो आइए हम सब एकाग्र भाव से सुनते हैं सार्जेंट श्रुति रॉय के 3 वर्षीय एनसीसी के साहसी अनुभव को।
Each expression tells a story of pride, unity and love for our nation. So let's sit back and enjoy this energetic performance that reflects the true essence of NCC, discipline, dedication and devotion to the motherland.
A very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present over here. Today, I, Sergeant Shruti Roy, standing in front of you all to deliver my RD experience. Attending the Republic Day Camp 2025 has been one of the most prestigious and unforgettable moments of my life. Each day was packed with intense training and endless rehearsals rehearsals, and of course, new experiences. But what kept me going was the passion burning in my heart to do my best in each field till the end. One of the biggest milestones in my journey was participation in Prime Minister's rally. The experience that I had while marching in front of the country's highest official, our Prime Minister and the other dignitaries. The feeling that I am being watched by the whole nation would remain as an unforgettable moment. After the RDC, the cadets were appreciated for their hard work. These tokens of appreciation made me feel proud of myself and motivated to work for our nation. One of the most special moments was visiting the house of Chief of Naval Staff, where we were welcomed with warmth. This visit made me dream of my life, one of honor, service and commitment. Apart from the march, I also had a chance to participate in horse riding, which taught me to build harmony and trust with another living being, skills that go beyond the sports. Participation in RDC also gave me a family of cadets who stood me tough time, laughed with me during breaks as well, and shared the same fire for services. We celebrated every small victory together and supported each other like the true comrades. After returning from RDC 2025, held at DGNTC Camp, Delhi Cantonment, I was honored with an invitation to visit the Governor House of Jharkhand. Here, I had the privilege to having lunch with the Honorable Government of Jharkhand, Shri Santosh Kumar Gangwar, along with the other selected NCC cadets who had represented the state at the national level. This interaction with the government was highly inspiring and motivating as we shared our experience and were encouraged to continue serving the nation with a dedication and discipline. During the ceremony, I was felicitated with a blazer, a certificate, and a bouquet of flowers as a token of honor and encouragement. The RDC camp and the visit of Governor House thereafter was a turning point in my life. It helped me to acquire leadership skills, learn the importance of being resilient and consistent one's effort to excel, and also a true meaning of unity and discipline. These are not just memories, but inspiration to move ahead with a purpose to serve the nation in every way I can. It will forever remain as a shining chapter of my life. That's all. Thank you.
Sergeant Shruti Roy, your experience have enriched our understanding and filled us with immense pride. The lessons we gained from your words are truly invaluable. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. Let's immerse ourselves in the vibrant beats and graceful moves of our cadets as they celebrate the spirit of patriotism through rhythm and motion. Each step
सबसे बड़ा आतंकी हमला हुआ है। पहलगाम की बैसरन वैली में हुए इस हमले में आतंकियों ने 26 बेकसूर लोगों को मार डाला, जबकि आतंकियों की इस कायराना करतूत में 13 लोग जख्मी हुए हैं।
ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਏ ਯਾਰਾ ਵੇ तेरियां तो लगदा है यारा काश ऐसा हो सकदा रब दे पैरी पे जांदी तेरी जगह ते जानी मौत मैनू ले जांदी जो तू ना मिला मानेंगे वो दहलीज नहीं होती रब नाम की यार यहाँ कोई चीज नहीं होती और अब खो लैंदा जेड़ा होवे ओनू जान तो प्यारा वे तू मैनू छड्ड जाना गल्लां तेरियां तो लगदा है यारा।
जम्मू कश्मीर के पहलगाम में हुए आतंकी हमले को लेकर देश भर में खूब गुस्से का माहौल बना हुआ है। इस हमले में जान गंवाने वाले लोगों की संख्या बढ़कर 27 पहुंच गई है। उधर पाकिस्तान की तरफ से भी इस हमले को लेकर बयान आया है।
भारत पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर से बड़ी खबर, इन 4 राज्यों की सीमा पाकिस्तान से लगती है जिसके बाद अटकलें लगाई जा रही हैं कि कहीं फिर से कुछ बड़ा होने वाला है।
A huge appreciation to our talented dancer for their graceful and energetic performance. The sweet notes of the flute have the power to touch hearts and calm souls. True reflection of harmony and peace. So let's sit back and let the mesmerizing tunes take us on a musical journey filled with emotion and patriotism. Let's applaud Lance Corporal Sohan Hasda for his soulful and heart-touching flute performance.
जहाँ हौसला बुलंद होता है वहाँ शब्द प्रेरणा बन जाते हैं। हर सांस में बसती है देशभक्ति की खूब और हर धड़कन में तिरंगा लहराता है। अब समय है काव्य पाठ का, जहाँ शब्दें गूंजेंगी और भावनाएं लहराएंगी नई देशभक्ति की गूंज अपने साथ ही। तो आइए तालियों से स्वागत करते हैं हमारे प्रभावशाली कैडेट नबोनील कर का, जो अपने वाणी से हम सभी के हृदय में राष्ट्र प्रेम की ज्वाला प्रज्वलित कर रहे हैं।
Today, as we gather here to celebrate NCC Day, I want to remind all my seniors and fellow cadets that we often hear, एक कैडेट केवल वर्दी नहीं पहनता, एक कैडेट केवल वर्दी नहीं पहनता, बल्कि कई जिम्मेदारियां भी पहनता है. A cadet not only wears the uniform, but also wears the responsibility on his shoulder. NCC, as a spirit of discipline, unity, and patriotism, it teaches us which books can't. It shapes our character, strengthens our willpower to stand courageously in each and every situation. Every single drill, commands, are not just the routine of a cadet, it pushes our limits to be the better version of ourselves. I would like to encourage my fellow cadets and seniors who are standing with unity and courage and did the march past with dedication. Discipline सिर्फ एक शब्द नहीं, discipline सिर्फ एक शब्द नहीं, एक जीवन सहील है. Unity and discipline केवल नारा नहीं, unity and discipline केवल नारा नहीं, बल्कि कैडेट्स का जीवन मंत्र है, बल्कि कैडेट्स का जीवन मंत्र है. एनसीसी सिर्फ प्रशिक्षण नहीं, ये देश प्रेम की पाठशाला है, ये देश प्रेम की पाठशाला है. NCC is just not a training, it's the transformation that every youth needs. It teaches us to respect and stay in discipline and united. NCC is not just a symbol, it is the promise we make every time we wear this worthy. At last, I will just say that कैडेट कभी पीछे नहीं हटते, कैडेट्स कभी पीछे नहीं हटते, हमेशा आगे चले जाते हैं। एकता ही हमारी शक्ति है और डिसिप्लिन सिर्फ नियम नहीं, ये सफल होने की सबसे बड़ी आदत है, ये सफल होने की सबसे बड़ी आदत है। जय हिंद, थैंक यू।
हर एक शब्द ने दिलों को छू लिया और हर पंक्ति ने मातृभूमि के प्रति गर्व जगा दिया। धन्यवाद नबोनील। Now I humbly request Subedar Vinod Kumar Mishra sir, 37 Jharkhand Battalion NCC, to share his valuable thought with us.
धन्यवाद अतिथिगण एंड आए हुए कैडेट के जो गेस्ट वगैरह हैं, परिवार, फैमिली, मैं आप लोगों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं 37 झारखंड बटालियन एनसीसी की ओर से। साथ ही एनसीसी एक कैडेट के अंदर एक प्रोत्साहित करने वाला, जो बच्चों के अंदर एक देश प्रेम की भावना को जागृत करता है। साथ ही उन बच्चों के अंदर, साथ ही समाज के अंदर एक सेना देशभक्ति को जागरूक करता है। साथ ही हमारे आए हुए अतिथिगण जो देश के प्रति एक उदाहरण प्रस्तुत करते हैं। सभी भी अतिथिगणों को मैं हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं और इस 37 झारखंड बटालियन की ओर से एनसीसी डे के उपलक्ष्य में आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Your words truly motivated us to be on the right path. When voices join in harmony, the heart of the nation beats as one. May this song fill the air with the rhythm of patriotism and the melody of togetherness. May this reminding us that to India's strength lies in its unity. Let's enjoy this group song by our NCC cadets, celebrating the pride and unity of our nation.
सबसे न्यारा
performance. Now we move on to a very special part of today's event, the felicitation ceremony. This is the moment to recognize and honor the exceptional efforts and achievements of our NCC cadets. Each of these cadets has displayed dedication, discipline, and excellence in their respective fields, be it drill, shooting, leadership, or cultural performance. Let's celebrate their hard work and spirit of NCC. To do the honor, may I request our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Prem Pratap Singh, to present the ranks to the cadets.
Also, I request ANO sir to join. First in the list is Corporal Suraj Kumar Paul.
Next is Corporal Manvi Pradhan. After Corporal Manvi Pradhan, I call Corporal Srishti Sharma. Next is Lance Corporal Sanskar Roy. And then next is Lance Corporal Shruti Banerjee.
खींचेंगे इधर से खींचेंगे।
I request everyone to take their seats. For the next set of appreciation, I invite Sub-Inspector Pankaj Kumar, Officer in charge, Mubarnar, to please come forward and do the honor. First in the list is Lance Corporal Shruti Banerjee, who will be felicitated for her excellence in coordination. Next in the list is Cadet Saransh Dev, who will also be felicitated for his excellence in coordination. Next is Cadet Anusha Mohanty, who will be felicitated for her excellence in coordination. I request everyone to clap for their recognition. Now, I request everyone to take their seats, and for the next set of certificates, I invite Pankaj Kumar, Sir, ANO, Motilal Nehru Public School, Jamshedpur, to please come forward and do the honor. First in the list is Cadet Somen Das, who will be felicitated for his special performance in ATC 6 for Best Drill in Annual Training Camp 6, Loyola School, Bistupur, and also for his participation in Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Camp 2 in Motihari. Next is Corporal Suraj Kumar Paul for his special performance in Outside Camp NER 1 Tanzil Aizawl, Mizoram from I request everyone to appreciate them with a huge round of applause. Next in the list is Lance Corporal Sanskar Roy for his special performance in Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Camp 2 in Motihari.
Now I call Cadet Avinash Kumar Shaw. He is receiving certificates and medals for his special performance in academics in board results session 2024-25. He got excellent performance in board results. School rank 7th position and got 89% marks. He received award by Department Science and Technology, Government of India. He achieved 10,000 cash and certificate. Next, I call Cadet Shrihan Karmakar. He is getting medal and certificate for his excellent performance in academics in board year result session 2024-25. He got 10th position in 2025 and got marks 88%. After Cadet Shrihan Karmakar, there is cadet Oishi Bhattacharya, but she is now presenting the NCC camp. Therefore, I request Madam Sumita Bhattacharya, Oishi's mother, as well as teacher of SNSVM, to receive the token of appreciation on behalf of Oishi. I call Corporal Manvi Pradhan. She got certificate and medals for her special performance in outside camp pre-RDC Day Camp 1 in Dance 2025-26. She attended Combined Annual Training Camp pre-RDC 1, NCC Group HQ, Rajendra Nagar, Patna. And now I call Antik Das. He is receiving certificate and medal for his special performance in outside camp pre-RDC Day Camp 1 in Guitar 2025-26. He attended Combined Annual Training Camp pre-RDC 1 NCC Group HQ Rajendra Prasad Nagar, Patna. Now I call Cadet Subhojit Sadhu. He was achieved certificates and medals for his special performance in outside camp. He attended IGGBC in Tabla 2025-26. He has participated in Patna. After Cadet Subhojit Sadhu, there is Cadet Viman Kumbhakar, who is now presently attending the NCC camp. I request his father to kindly receive the token of appreciation on behalf of Viman.
Thank you, sir. You may now please take your seat. For the next set of appreciation, I invite Subedar Vinod Kumar Mishra, 37 Jharkhand Battalion NCC, to please come forward and do the honor. I call Cadet Ananya Maiti. She has achieved certificate and medal and special gift for special achievement by All India Glass Manufacturer Federation 2025. She has been awarded with a cash prize of 10,000 rupees and bottle as a gift.
Now I call Cadet Kalyani Hemram. She has received medal and certificate as a special achievement in participation Indo-Nepal Youth Sports Championship 2025 in Karate held in Pokhara, Nepal, organized by Youth Sports Education Federation, India. She achieved first position and received a gold medal and certificate.
Next in the list is Corporal Jagatram Mahato. He has achieved certificates and medals for his special achievement felicitated by the Election Commission of India. As Election Commission of India service attended a special training and felicitation at IIDEM, New Delhi. Next, I call Sergeant Shruti Roy. She has achieved certificate and medal for a special achievement represented Bihar and Jharkhand in Republic Day Camp 2025. Republic Day Camp 2025 at New Delhi. Honored by the Governor of Jharkhand and Bihar, Shri Santosh Sir, for her outstanding contribution to NCC. She has excelled in 7 major NCC CA
Thank you, sir. Please take your seats. For next set of certificates, I Managers, sir. Manager, ma'am. We now invite Cadet Kunal Barik.
Next is Cadet Somit Ghosh. Next in the list is they are receiving their certificates for A certificate examination. I request Cadet Sergeant Harshvardhan Dirya and Cadet Yash to jointly take the certificates. Thank you everyone. You may now please take your seats. अब मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ हमारे मुख्य अतिथि श्री प्रेम प्रताप सिंह, सेकेंड इन कमांड 193 सीआरपीएफ बटालियन मुसावनी को, जिन्होंने अपने अनुभव और प्रेरणादायक विचारों से आज के इस सम्मान समारोह को और भी प्रभावशाली और यादगार बनाएंगे।
Honorable Principal Dr. Srinivas Misra, respected Associate NCC Officer Dr. Prasenjit Karmakar, Manager Srimati Shobha Ganariwal, esteemed teachers, police officers present on the dais, NCC officers, students, and dear cadets. A very good morning to all of you and Jai Hind. First of all, I would like to thank Sant Nandlal Smriti Vidya Mandir management to invite me to grace this occasion as a chief guest. It's a matter of pride and honor for me. Being a uniformed officer, I am part of the force which protects India internally from its internal turbulence, that is Central Reserve Police Force CRPF. Going back to history, NCC was conceived from the idea of Second Anglo-Dutch War, which occurred in 1665 and lasted in 1667. So volunteers from the Dutch nation were brought to assist their armies. It was fought between England and allied of Norway, Denmark and France combined with Germany. So during First World War in 1917, it was thought by Britishers that on the same line we should also have such management which facilitates the regular army, and the idea of NCC was formed and conceived, and it emerged as National Cadet Corps by the Act of Parliament in 1948, and in present form it is almost a 20 lakh cadets strength, strong group of volunteers. It has helped us during war in 1965 and 1971 that was fought with Pakistan. Initially during 1962, the war of China, it was made mandatory till 1968, but after 1968, it became volunteer organization. Being a NCC cadet, I can understand it takes a lot of time to perform this NCC cadets mandate and what requires for this uniform. You spend and you sacrifice a lot of working hours, your lot of study hours. Sometimes you must be facing dilemma that कहाँ फंस गया मैं, but still you continue to choose this uniform. That is the strength. All begins here only. Once you start control over your mind, you learn to lead your life, and half battle is won there only. So I would congratulate and greet every NCC cadet present here, and I wish all the achievers who has been facilitated here and those also who couldn't make this today due to some or other reason, they may also excel. I would like to say one thing, that always aim for the high, always aim for the stars. Even if you can't reach the star, you may fall on the moon. Even not on the moon, we may find yourself on some Tadaka bed also. So always aim for the high, pursue for that dream. And one thing always I would say to remember, man rewards results. Those who are facilitated here is the outcome of their hard work. That is result for what they were awarded today. But the God rewards efforts. So consistent effort in any aspect of life, whatever we are doing, we should always keep efforting. God listens and God keeps record of our those efforts. And someday He rewards us silently, and then everybody applauds for us. Thank you, Jai Hind. Once again, congratulations to all cadets, Sant Nandlal Smriti Vidya Mandir Parivar, for organizing this fantastic event on the occasion of NCC Day. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your invaluable words. Your words have truly inspired us. जिनकी उपस्थिति से मन स्वयं को गौरव अनुभव करे और महान व्यक्तित्व का सम्मान करना हमारा परम सौभाग्य है। अब मैं हमारे मुख्य अतिथि को सम्मानित करने के लिए आमंत्रित करती हूँ विद्यालय प्राचार्य डॉक्टर श्रीनिवास मिश्रा सर तथा एनसीसी ऑफिसर डॉक्टर वसंजीत कर्मकर सर को कि कृपया वे आए और उन्हें शॉल और मोमेंटो से सम्मानित करें। Thank you, sir. Now, to felicitate our guest, Sub-Inspector Gautam Kumar, Officer in charge, Kharsala Police Station, I request our school manager, Madam Shobha Ganariwal, to come forward and do the honor. थैंक यू मैम। अब मैं हमारे विशेष अतिथि श्री संतोष कुमार सर से आमंत्रित करूंगी कि वे आए और पंकज कुमार सर एएनओ मोतीलाल नेहरू पब्लिक स्कूल जमशेदपुर को शॉल और मेमेंटो देकर सम्मानित करें। Thank you, sir. Now, I request Mr. Anup Kumar Patnaik, sir, teacher in charge, to felicitate Subedar Vinod Kumar Mishra, sir, 37 Jharkhand Battalion, NCC, to please felicitate him with shawl and memento. थैंक यू सर। अब मैं एसआर दत्ता सर, एकेडमिक इंचार्ज, से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे आए और हवलदार लक्ष्मण खड़का सर को सम्मानित करें। Now I invite Nirmal Chunjalwala sir, SMC member of our school, to present the shawl and memento to Sub-Inspector Pankaj Kumar sir, Office in Charge, Movember Outpost. Thank you, sir.
As our program nears to end, I invite our NCC officer
Now I request our NCC officer and principal sir to jointly felicitate Sub-Inspector Manoj Oraon sir. Thank you, sir. Next is Sub-Inspector Marshall, sir. I request Gorai sir also to join. Next, I invite Honorary Lieutenant Bhadra Singh Sardar sir. Thank you, sir.
As our program nears to end, I invite our school NCC officer, Dr. Prasenjit Karmakar, to present the vote of thanks to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this event a success. Let us take this moment to honor all those whose dedication and efforts turned this day into a celebration of pride and purpose. Gratitude makes every ending beautiful because every thank you carries a story of teamwork and love.
Before proposing my vote of thanks, I would like to make you listen the message passed by Honorable Director General of National Cadet Corps, who is heading the largest youth organization of the world, Lieutenant General Birendra Bhatt's Youth Seva Medal, Sena Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal. I would like to request our technical team to make it listen to all the associate of today's function. Sir, please.
Jai Hind. On the occasion of 78th Raising Day of NCC, I extend my warm greetings to all officers, PI staff, ANOs, WTLOs, GCIs and cadets. I would also like to extend my gratitude to all our alumni who have contributed in various fields after having spent formative years of the youth in NCC. From a humble beginning in 1948, NCC today is almost 20 lakh strong and the largest uniformed youth organization in the world. Out of 780 districts in the country today, NCC has a footprint in almost 713 of them. The rich cultural diversity of India is well represented in this organization that epitomizes unity and discipline, which is also the motto of this great organization. I extend my gratitude to the armed forces and all the services for their unwavering support. It is a matter of pride to recall the exemplary role of our cadets during recently concluded Operation Sindoor. Approximately 75,000 NCC cadets participated in the operation, supporting civil administration in civil defense duties, relief material distribution, and medical assistance. NCC has also earned wide appreciation for its meaningful contribution to national initiatives such as Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam and the Vibrant Village program. Adding to these achievements, our cadets have carried the NCC flag to the world's highest peak during the recent expedition to Mount Everest, symbolizing the indomitable courage and determination that defines the NCC. Together, all these accomplishments stand as a testament to NCC's enduring commitment to service, discipline, and nation building. It is often said that the future is uncertain, so we are not sure what kind of future we will be able to give to our youth. But with the qualities of character, discipline, and leadership that we instill in our youth, we are sure that irrespective of the future challenges, our youth are well poised to lead the nation in its journey towards Viksit Bharat. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, General Officer. We are ever ready for your single call, for any moment, for anything. All the 20 lakhs of cadets are ever ready for the motherland. Now, before vote of thanks, as you've seen that other than Sant Nandalal Smriti Vidya Mandir NCC troop, we have witnessed the march past from our troop of Ghatsila College NCC. So it would be our pleasure to felicitate the platoon commander of NCC Ghatsila College from this dais. I would like to request today's chief guest as well as the principal of the school to felicitate the Ghatsila College NCC parade team. I request the commander of the parade to come over here. Ghatsila College Parade Troop Commander, if you are here, please proceed to the stage. This is a token of appreciation to your NCC troop as well as your the whole college fraternity for cooperating and supporting us on this auspicious day. Thank you, sir. Now, being the in charge, being the responsible individual for 407 by 37 Jharkhand Battalion NCC, that is SNSBM NCC troop, being the troop commander, let me express my heartfelt gratitude at the very first to our chief guest for this function, for his valuable time out of his busy schedule. He has given his kind consent to grace this occasion and motivate our young cadets. Premsha, who is second in command of CRPF 193 Battalion, Musavani. I also convey my thanks to the commandant of this battalion for his wholehearted indirect support to make this event a successful one. My thanks goes to the Circle Inspector of Police of Ghatsila, Inspector Manoj Gupta. Due to some urgent work, medical issue, he is unable to grace the occasion from this dais physically, but he has conveyed his good wishes for this function. Let me convey my thanks to the officer in charge of Ghatsila Police Station and all his team, officer in charge of Mobhandar Outpost and his team, all the sub-inspectors, assistant sub-inspectors, and the police personnel, whoever are present here. I convey my heartfelt gratitude and thanks to you people, because you are the uniform persons, and our cadets and students are really getting motivation from you people. You are the torch bearer and we are the follower. Definitely we will follow you for the service of the nation, for the service of the society. I convey my thanks to Subedar Binod Kumar Mishra from 37 Jharkhand Battalion NCC, and this troop SNS Vidya Mandir 407, this troop is affiliated to 37 Jharkhand Battalion, under whose command we are running this NCC troop here. I convey my thanks to Colonel Binay Ahuja, the commanding officer. I convey my thanks to the ADM officer and also all ranks of 37 Jharkhand Battalion NCC for supporting us, guiding us towards progress of the society, towards serving the nation. I convey my thanks to the principal of Ghatsila College as well as the NCC officer of Ghatsila College, Lieutenant Mahesh Sir Paramanik, who was present but due to some urgent work he left in between. My thanks goes to Second Officer Pankaj Kumar, Associate NCC Officer of Motilal Nehru Public School, Jamshedpur. He has taken all the trouble to come from Jamshedpur early in this morning. Thank you so much, sir, to you as well as to your principal. My thanks goes to Havildar Laxman Khadka, Permanent Instructor of 37 Jharkhand Battalion. I convey my thanks to the school manager, Madam Sohag Enriwal. My thanks to the guiding force of this school, Dr. Eshan Mishra, the principal. My thanks goes to Mr. Nirmal Kumar Jhunjhunwala and all the associated school management committee, local management committee member under whose able guidance this school is being run smoothly. I convey my thanks to all the staff members, teaching, non-teaching, supporting, administrative, all of you for your real and supportive attitude, supportive environment you have created to make this event a successful one. Some of you are on stage, some of you are off stage, some of you are directly on the screen, some of you are back of the stage, back of the screen. But definitely it's a joint effort out of which we have successfully towards completion of the 78th NCC Day of the country. I convey my thanks to all the musical staff who have associated this function since couple of days. I also convey my thanks to the technical persons. My thanks goes to the media person, whoever are present and who are present and who will cover this beautiful function as well. My thanks goes to the cadets of Ghatsila College, cadets of HNS Vidya Mandir Ghatsila. My thanks goes to the parents, really, the parents, especially the parents of the NCC cadets who have understood the feelings of the NCC, who have understood the feelings of the country, the society and the motherland. Because being a parent, हम सभी को ये फिक्र होता है, ये टेंशन होता है कि मेरा बच्चा अगर 2 साल के लिए एनसीसी करेंगे तो हो सकता है उसका एकेडमिक्स में कुछ नुकसान हो। बट आपने आप लोग देखे होंगे जब फेलिसिटेशन हो रहा था, यही कैडेट जो एनसीसी में 2 साल बिताया, उसके बावजूद भी इस स्कूल का साथ साथ इस अनुमंडल का और इस जिले का भी नाम रोशन किया जब उनका फाइनल एग्जाम हुआ, चाहे वो मैट्रिक का बात हो, इंटरमीडिएट का बात हो। स्कूल का टॉपर भी बनते हैं एनसीसी कैडेट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट टॉपर भी इसी एनसीसी ट्रूप की कैडेट भी बन चुके हैं। तो दिस इज एन एग्जाम्पल फॉर यू माय डियर पेरेंट्स, माय रेस्पेक्टेड पेरेंट्स, दैट एनसीसी का भी आपका बच्चे को भविष्य खराब नहीं करते हैं, बल्कि उनको आगे जाने के लिए और एक स्टेप आगे बढ़ाने के लिए प्रोत्साहन करते हैं। आने वाली पीढ़ियों को, दैट मीन्स द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड 5, 6 and 7 who are witnessing today's NCC day, the main purpose of calling you people here, you just learn what is NCC, convey your parents, convey your friends and be enrolled, show your interest to be enrolled in NCC. आपको मालूम है only 50 cadets in a single year we are having authority to enroll. But अभी बटालियन के स्टाफ या स्टाफ यहाँ मौजूद है, उन लोग को मालूम है कम से कम 250, 270, 275 कैडेट यहाँ मौजूद हो जाते हैं जब एनरोलमेंट होता है इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल। It's really become very crucial task for the PI staff as well as the NCC officer to select the 50 cadets out of around 300 students. But we tried our level best always to give the chance to the right and efficient cadet, so that only ये 2 साल NCC parade करना और 2-3 क्लास करना ये sufficient नहीं है। Ultimate aim, initially you have to attend the Republic Day, that is the highest level of camp organized by the NCC fraternity, and ultimately हम हमेशा अपने कैडेट को कहते हैं आपका एकेडमिक्स, आपका एकेडमिक अचीवमेंट, all these are, you have to put this thing in number 1 position, and your NCC, your co-curricular activities, your sports, your cultural activities, all will be placed after this academics, that means after this 1. एक का बाद जितना जीरो लगाओगे आपका फेस वैल्यू इतना आगे बढ़ते जाएगा। NCC is one of the most important area co-scholastic activities, जहां आपको not only in civil you will get enormous chances to establish yourself for the society, for your career. You know, if you are qualified C certificate holder of NCC, directly you will be called for service selection board to join Indian Armed Forces as an officer without appearing any written exam. आपको यूपीएससी देने का जरूरत नहीं है, आपको सीडीएस देने का जरूरत नहीं है। आप सी सर्टिफिकेट एनसीसी होल्डर होंगे तो बाय मीन्स ऑफ एसएसबी you will be commissioned in Indian Army as an officer. Not only Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, paramilitary forces like CISF, CRPF, BSF, ITBP, State Police and many more. सो एनसीसी आपको एक ऐसा सपोर्ट देते हैं हमेशा जो आपको आपका एकेडमिक्स प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट के साथ आपको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए एक स्टेप आगे बढ़ा देने के लिए हमेशा तत्पर रहता है। आज के जो पेरेंट्स हैं और आने वाले जो पेरेंट्स, हम आप सभी को तहे दिल से प्रणाम करता हूँ। आप लोग परमिशन दिए हैं, आप एनसीसी का महत्व को समझ चुके हैं। आज देश के प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑनरेबल नरेंद्र मोदी जी, उनका जो सपना है डिजिटल इंडिया और यूथ को आगे बढ़ाते हुए देश को आगे बढ़ाना, इसीलिए डे बाय डे द नंबर ऑफ कैडेट्स इज बीइंग इंक्रीज्ड। आज के दिन में तकरीबन 20 लाख एनसीसी कैडेट्स सेलिब्रेटिंग एनसीसी डे थ्रू आउट द कंट्री। वही एनसीसी कैडेट जो भारत को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए जा रहे हैं, चाहे इंडोनेशिया जा रहे हैं, मालदीव्स जा रहे हैं, बांग्लादेश, मेनी कंट्रीज टू मेक द रिलेशनशिप, परराष्ट्र नीति को और बेहतर बनाने के लिए, फॉरेन रिलेशनशिप को बेहतर बनाने के लिए एनसीसी कैडेट्स को भेजा जा रहा है बाय मींस ऑफ YEP, यूथ एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम। So many initiatives are there taken by the Ministry of Defense, Government of India, the President of India. They are taking the initiative to give the chance to these young lords. So I convey my thanks to all of you, the present cadets, the would-be cadets, the present parents of the cadets and the would-be parents of the cadets, for permitting as well as the parents, those who are present here. Once again I convey my gratitude to all of you. I convey my thanks the members of Parent Teacher Association who were present over here. At last, if anyone's name I have forgot, my thanks goes to each one of you to make this 78th NCC Day a successful one, and we hope we will together make this nation to that level of state. चित्तो जथा भय शून्य उच्च जथा शिर ज्ञान जथा मुक्त जथा गृहेर पाचिर. Up to that level of the state, we will put our country, we will respect our country to that level where the great persons, the leaders of this country are expecting. With this note, let me conclude my formal vote of thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir, for acknowledging everyone's hard work and inspiring us to continue with discipline and dedication.
जब वर्दी तन पर सजती है तो पहचान बन जाती है, जो सिर उठाकर चले वही एनसीसी की शान बन जाती है। हम वो परवाज़ है जो तूफानों से नहीं डरते, देशभक्ति की राह पर हमेशा आगे है बढ़ते। वतन की मिट्टी हमारी रगों में बहती है, हम एनसीसी है, हमारी हर सांस भारत कहती है, हमारी हर सांस भारत कहती है। जैसे जैसे हम इस कार्यक्रम के समापन की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं, हम आप सभी से अनुरोध करते हैं कि कृपया राष्ट्रगान के लिए अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं। होल स्कूल अटेंशन।
जय
At last, I want to thank you all for your presence and participation in making our NCC Day memorable.
Let us continue to uphold the ideals of unity and discipline and serve our nation with pride.
As we conclude this celebration, let's remember unity and discipline are not just words, they are the way of life for every NCC cadet. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.